Tabarira ya waki wa ndemu ya Thiba ikirie kurikirira guku arimi ya muceere kuuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makirahira mawega maria megutungana namo kuona urimi wa muceere ni kugacira na gikiro kinene.
The farmers will be able to irrigate 2 seasons a year. That means in Muya irrigation scheme we'll have 70,000 acres per year under irrigation.
Hindi ya guthurima mihang'o ya waki wa tabarira eno munini wa murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa waki na uthi wa nambere Engineer Charles Muasya niugite ni kuongerera gicunji kingi kia mugunda kia eka 10,000 niguo kuguna arimi ya mucere mwena uyu.
Today at Thiba Dam to witness the completion of works which has been ongoing here for the last 49 months or so. These are works which commenced in 1st March 2018 and which were scheduled for completion around this time.
Muasya ningi ni ugite wona tabarira eno yarikirira muingi wa mwena uyu ni ukugunika na mieke ya mawira guku tonga wa kaunti ino ukiongerereka kuma shilingi bilioni 10 nginyanagia shilingi bilioni 16.
In terms of employment, we are moving from 250,000 to 350,000. So we are creating additional 100,000 jobs in Muya. We are storing flood water in Muya, rather in Thiba River, and now we are just waiting for the start of the rains. Anytime from today, if the rains commence, we'll be able to start harvesting water here.
Bururi wa Kenya uhuthagira mucere makiria ma tani 400,000 o mwaka gatagati ga tani ici thikimu ya Mwea ihotaga kugetha makiria ma tani 114 cia mucere oro mwaka.
We are going to increase this with this dam completion of this project to 200,000 metric tons. So that is how this project will impact in terms of going a journey towards fulfilling or cutting the deficit of rice in the country.
Tabarira eno ya muigana wa shilingi bilioni 7.8 yarugoririo ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta mwaka-ini wa 2018. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.